Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hello, Christian brothers. Today the date is 2nd January 2017. New Year. Everybody is celebrating the New Year. Okay. Now I give you the proof of Jesus Christ second coming's date of birth from Bible, from Hadith, and they are connected. They are all interlinked with Quran, Hadith, Bible, and other holy books. Okay, what will be the date of the Messiah of the second coming, Messiah bin David's date of birth? Okay, from the Bible first I will start. Haggai chapter says that 24th March is the day of the temples, temple, and in the same holy book it is said that Jesus Christ is the splendid temple, the second coming, splendid form. So in the second year of the Darius, means second year of the present ruler, second year of the present ruler. Now the point you have got from this 24th March. Okay, remember this. Other place says 21 date, other place says 3rd. So that actually the complete sign I am putting in the description below. You will understand that 24th March is the date of birth of the Messiah. Between 23rd and 24th March it is mentioned, because Jesus Christ of second coming is the temple of the Allah Almighty Elohim, Yahweh's temple, the Father's temple. So he is considered as the temple. So that is the code there. It is not clearly mentioned that Jesus Christ himself is going to take birth on so and so date. It is not mentioned, because if it was mentioned, people have claimed and misled many people. So it is mentioned in the sealed prophecies. Now come to the point, second year of the Darius, and the same prophecy Muslims are also having, because same Yahweh Elohim have delivered the Quran to the Muslims, to the believers, to the mankind, but Muslims are the persons who have accepted Islam, who have accepted Quran and Hadith and the Prophet Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Now the second point come there. It is written after 1400 years and 30s, that is of Islam, the Messiah, the Mahdi alayhi salam shall appear, and the age of the appearance will be 40 years. Okay, note the second point. Now it is also written with the Muslims that when the Messiah will become young, then he will appear against the Masih Dajjal. Did you understand? The Masih Antichrist 666, the rival of the Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam, the false Messiah group of Bani Israel. The Messiah was supposed to appear among them on the eastern side of Damascus, near the white minaret of a mosque, during the Fajr time of the morning prayer, in presence of 800 men and 400 women and many people, 70,000 Bani Israeli people along with him from worldwide in the season of winter. It is written. Now you got only 24 March. Now come to the point. He will be coming as a Muslim. Muslim means the believer of Prophet Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and the Hadith says that Isa ibn Maryam will descend among Muslims as Mahdi. If you go in the sealed prophecies deeply, and Mahdi himself is the Isa ibn Maryam of second coming. Did you understand? So now the question is, where he will come? From the Bible you take, Bible says the Messiah will be coming in the land of the Edomites, in the east of the world, where people will be walking in darkness and they will see the great light. In the east, so the world's east is the India. And the Muslim prophecy says that Messiah will be coming in the Indian peninsula, to 3 sides water, 1 side land, and that is actually Constantinople, which is a metaphorical word used for the subcontinent India, where 2 partitions will take place, that is Bangladesh and Pakistan. And the nearest warhead will be the Pakistan, that is considered as the Bola in metaphorical language. So now coming to the point, In the year in India, I want to tell you the adult age is 18 years plus. If you are 18 years plus, you can marry. If you are 18 years plus, it was a rule in the year 1991 AD. So, the Messiah was supposed to take birth on 24th March. In the present rulers, so he is coming as a Muslim. So, who is the present ruler? Spiritual ruler. That is Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam's date of birth was 571 AD. From there, if you calculate, it comes to 1400 years are completed in 1972 AD. 71 AD, and after this, 1973 becomes the second year of the spiritual king, Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So you calculate, 1973 is the year we got from Muslims. Now we got 24th March from this, from Bible. 24th March 1973. When the Messiah is young, he is 18 years in the year 18 years in the year 1991. Because in Muslim prophecy it is mentioned, when Messiah is considered as wheat and wrapped in the paddy of two yellow sheets. That is paddy, when it is grown up paddy, the wheat is wrapped in the two yellow natural sheets, the hay, the straw. Did you understand? So it means that Messiah will be 18 plus in the year. Then Masih Dajjal will arrive, the Antichrist, then he will appear among them. So that becomes the year 1973, 24 March. If you calculate, it becomes 1991 AD, the winter season, that is December. So we got the date of the Messiah's first appearance. According to Shia sources of Hadith, they say first Ghaibat. There are two occultations. First small one, then another is bigger one. It means in 1991, Messiah was supposed to become adult and he was supposed to appear against Masih Dajjal. So we got the dates out of these sealed prophecies. Now another date. When he is 40 years, the news will come from the sky. The angel will announce the arrival of the Messiah. So it means from there you calculate the 40 years age of Messiah from 1973, 24 March. It becomes 1970. From that point it becomes 2012, 24th March. When Messiah have become 39 years old. Now he is entering into the 48th year after this. So from there you calculate the 48th year is running, and the prophecy of Bible quotes say that, and the Israel was formed on 14th May 1968. Most probably 14 May is the date. That is important. So on 14 May, Allah have promised in 2 Esdras, chapter number 1, Old Testament, that he is going to replace Israel with another people. So Israel is the title of the Yaqub alayhi salam, the Jacob. So the second Messiah is also called as Israel, the conqueror. So it will be replaced. So on 14th May 2012, Messiah himself is the Israel, replaced from Israel in a new state of Israel, that is Andhra Pradesh. Is the 13 letters. If you see, same state of Israel also 13 letters. Official name is State of Israel, and here Andhra Pradesh. So that is the coastal land. This is also coastal land. That is that side, and it is, if you reverse, it is like this. That is on western side. If you reverse it, it becomes again like this. Same Andhra Pradesh coastal area. Jerusalem is in between the capital. Here is also the Hyderabad in capital. Hyderabad having 9 letters, Jerusalem having 9 letters. Like this it is replaced. And Israel is announced, the Messiah have announced at the age of 40 years. And the news have come through television, 4 TV, the concept. The 4 TV channel have given the news. So Messiah have appeared at the age of 40 years. When after this, again Ramzan will come in the same year, then people will not be believing him, and nobody would have pledged alliance to him from the outside, except all his family members, not exceeding more than 30 persons. All over the world, only 30 persons. So on the third day, that third day is the year, it is mentioned in Biharul Anwar Hadith of Shia. the beast of the earth shall come and speak for him, and pledging alliance to him, because nobody believed him or from outside. So if you take the year 2012, Ramzan is the time announcement of the Messiah, again second announcement to invitation to come and join him, that I have done. Again, if you calculate third day, it becomes 2015 Ramzan. Then again the goat's sacrifice day is also mentioned. During that period, when the sun, moon, this all alignments will be there, planetary alignments. And in 2015, the Venus and Jupiter alignment happened, which happened as just like the Bethlehem star. So that is also mentioned in the holy prophecies of Shia, Biharul Anwar. So this alignment took place, and the blue star, the Kachina, and this alignment, and the 4 blood moons also got completed in 2014 to 2015, which is very much considered as a very big sign of the Messiah's arrival, Messiah's presence. So all this happened. So from this you come to know that the date at the age of 43, the Dabatul Minal appeared as a peacock angel, and after this, Allah gave me wisdom, and I could show that this same prophecy of peacock angel was there among Yazidis of Iran, Yazidi people of Iran. So it is proof that they are also coming from a very old religion. That's why they are having the same prophecy about peacock angel. And there was no link between that peacock angel and the beast of the earth is speaking, So much difference is found. But it was revealed as the peacock angel, certifying all the proofs. So the Messiah's date of birth has come like this. And Bible, the Old Testament codings also show that 2012 is the year of his announcement. Jewish people have researched, and they found that 2012 code in the Old Testament. Did you understand the date of birth of the Messiah? Now you will have to believe Bible. Every person. The truth of Bible is to be believed by Muslims also. But Muslims should follow the holy laws given by Prophet Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, obtained from Allah. So they must follow that. Pray 5 times, and whatever Allah have forbidden should be forbidden. Whatever Allah have given permission should be permitted. So we all should follow Islam perfectly, but believe in all old books also. So if you connect, and Hinduism also say the Kalki Avatar's year of birth is the Chaitra year, and it is March. Kalki Avatar's date of birth is the March. Kalki Avatar himself is the destroyer, sign of the end. That is none other than Lord Shiva himself. So all this, did you get the answer now? Now you will say, so I should believe Bible, I should believe Quran, Hadith, I should believe Hinduism book, I should believe all this and follow Islam. Then only you will get the date of birth of the Messiah. Yes, this is what Allah want to say. You are all one and scattered in different parts, because you believe some parts of the books and denied some. So you got the date of birth of the Messiah. It's me. Not only date of birth makes, because on that day so many persons might have taken birth, and they have taken also. So are they Messiah? No. Other scenes, father name, mother name, it is also mentioned among Muslims. Mother name Suraya, father name Masood. In sealed form, it is mentioned in the sealed prophecies. If once the faith goes to the Suraya star word is not there in the Hadith. Goes to Suraya, then one or more than will bring it back. Will go there means to bring it back. It is understood. Because willing it back is not written there, but it means to get it back. So the Messiah was supposed to come from the Suraya into the world. So that Suraya is the mother, it means. Because Messiah comes through mother. Did you understand? And for other hadiths say that his looks are like Urwa ibn Masood, means Urwa son of Masood. So Urwa means Jesus Christ. You replace the word Urwa with Jesus Christ. Or second coming the Yeshua. Son of Masud. It means the father name should be Masud, of the second coming of the Messiah. So father name, mother name, and mother should be black, father should be white. Mother from the family of Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam's daughter, Bibi Fatima Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, who should be a daughter again. Through sons also, no problem. So the prophecy, she should come from, both are coming from the Ibrahim alayhi salam's descendants. Ismail alayhi salam, from Ismail alayhi salam, mother is coming. And from the Isaac alayhi salam, father is coming. My father was King David's descendant. So both are united, and I am born as Swedish Messiah. 24th March. So not only this, many scenes, many other identification proofs along with scenes, children, everybody are mentioned, constituting more than 1400 such signs, including the scenes also. The 9 wives entry one by one is mentioned. In Bible it is mentioned. You will say where? You will come to know now date of birth is okay for you or not. If you believe the holy books, you have to accept. Otherwise you have no choice. I am Jesus Christ of second coming, reborn as Mahdi alayhi salam. Spiritually I am reborn with a new body, but old soul I am reborn here. Did you understand? And the Masih Dajjal, my rival is Antichrist Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and his vice-regents, the Khalifas, just like the Pharaoh dynasty. And the beast of the earth, certifying Quran 27 and 82 verse of Quran, is revealed as peacock angel. It happened, mashallah. Peacock angel have spoken for me. Did you understand? Now I am in a jungle on the way to Delhi side. I am on the way, and I like this, sitting in the jungle near the railway station and preaching for Allah, where there is no disturbance. And this place is blessed for me, mashallah. Did you understand? Are you a true Christian or not? If you are Christian, true Christian, don't behave like Jews. Just, I have given the proofs and follow me. Join my group. There is no way out. I am neither an impostor nor deceived by any evil spirit or anybody. Did you understand? Allahu Akbar.